In today's Sunday Solution, we're going to tell you about one of our favorite products that we've ever purchased for our RV.
It's time
For another Sunday Solution.
Let's go.
All right, so if you follow this channel long enough, any of our regular viewers know, we don't usually endorse a lot of products. I'll only get behind a product if I truly believe in them and if I've used them for a while. So I don't like to tell people to go out and buy things if I don't think they're that good. But this is one product that's kind of the unsung hero. And the reason for that is we put them on and we forgot about them. You never have to maintain them. You know, it's one of them things. So that product is SnapPads for your RV. When we first purchased our RV, one of the first purchases we've ever made were for SnapPads. And the reason I did that, we were living in Florida before we went full time, and the asphalt gets really hot and the metal pads will sink into the asphalt in high temperatures. So I went ahead and purchased these and put them on my RV. Now, full disclosure, RV SnapPads did reach out to me a few months ago and they sent me a new set. And what we're gonna do, if you like and subscribe to the channel, that's really the only requirements. Maybe leave a comment that you like. We're going to do a live giveaway on the YouTube channel. These are for the RV SnapPad Highway Edition, which are the 10-inch rear and 8-inch front. They're brand new in the box, and we will ship them to the winner free of charge. So just so we know going into it, you know, that SnapPad did send me these for free, and we're going to give them away. So there you go. Like and subscribe, leave a comment, and we'll go through and we'll pick out the best comment that we like and we'll do it on a live. We'll do the giveaway on a live. So that's really the only requirements that we're going to have on it. The Highway Edition, I'm not sure what models they fit on. I know ours is a Tiffin 33AA. I'm sure there's a bunch of other models they can go on, even trailers. So it's about a $200 value. But they are a great company. It was a pleasure to deal with them as far as this promotion. So here's the deal. We put them on. We've been running full time almost 5 years now, and I've never had an issue with them. A lot of the parks will require that you have some type of buffer between your metal pad and the concrete or asphalt. And to be honest with you, I tried using the boards when we very first started, and it was a pain in the butt, crawling under there and dragging them in, dragging them out, and lugging them around, finding room in the bay for them. So we got rid of that. So that's one of the benefits. There's several benefits that come with them. Ease of installation. They're permanent once you put them on. All I did was put a little Dawn dish soap, detergent in the concentrated form, and just put it around the ring at the top of the pad and had my wife lower the pads, and they snapped into place, and they've been on there ever since. Never had 1 minute's issue with them. They're made out of recycled tires, so that's one way to get rid of all these tires that are laying all over the country. That's another benefit. They're another way of grounding your rig if you should happen to have a lightning strike nearby. Out in the desert stuff, when we're traveling out west, there's a lot of bad storms we've been in. One less thing to worry about is having a lightning strike near you and the odd chance that happens. But your jacks are metal, and they can barely easily put an electric charge up through your rig into the electronics. So that's the other benefit. Again, they're permanent. A lot of the RV parks we've been in, they require something. So it's simple. You pull in, park on the concrete, drop your pad. You don't have to worry about damaging anything. And it's more stable. I've used them in soft soil, and I know that my regular metal pads would have sunk right into the dirt. So these, it gives you a bigger footprint. It's more stable in the rig. I mean, you know, it's just oodles of benefits right there. So, hey, these aren't showing any sign of wear or any kind of issue. And that's kind of why we've never done a video on them, because we put them on and we just forgot about them. It's not something we think about, you know, it's just, I think about it if I pull onto an asphalt, you know, parking spot. I know that, you know, out here in New Mexico or Arizona, when it's hot, I know that I'm going to be okay. I'm not going to sink my pads into the asphalt. That's another issue too while I'm thinking about it, you know, freezing weather. You get in freezing weather, the metal pads will stick to the pavement. If they freeze, if you happen to have rain and get freezing rain or something like that, and you could pull the pad off. So when you raise them back up, the rubber won't stick. So that's that. That's not much more I can say about them. They're a great product. We love them. And I absolutely would buy them again if I had to. And that's it. So there you go. Okay, so we hope you enjoyed that Sunday solution. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. And if you don't already have a set of SnapPads, they're well worth the purchase.